Well, I was 15 when I first started losing my hair. By 17 it was almost completely gone. I decided to finally have the procedure because the hair loss was happening so fast. The people here, the process was so much faster than the other one. I don't have to worry about looking a certain way before I don't have to worry about constantly having to hide it. Or I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others because comparatively speaking, he definitely knows what he's doing. Well, it has been very reassuring. It's been very nice. I feel so much better on myself now if it wasn't for you. So thank you.
When I was 25, 26, I started noticing my hair was beginning, thinner. Really great experience. I thought it would be really worse than that. I'm so happy with the results, The procedure was really good. I had no problem whatsoever, and natural look, nobody can tell nothing. If I don't tell, nobody can notice. 7 more months to growing up, as you see the results. I'm really happy. Thanks so much.
I was really able to strategically put the amount of hairs in the right place. I couldn't have been more happier once I saw that. Woke up, it was tender back there, didn't hurt. I could move my head from side to side and it was great. The results alone doesn't compare to the results that Dr. Bolton gave me. Dr. Bolton in one session probably doubled what those 2 surgeries did. Now I feel like that it is possible for me to get my hair back in its entirety, so I'm excited about that. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for taking the time. You and the staff have been really gracious with me and just being kind and caring and nurturing in this whole process. I really thank you and the staff, and thank you so much for it.
The way Dr. Bolton does the procedure is significantly different in its structure than many of these changes that would just progress. I felt good about it, and I saw the previous work that you've done with other clients, and it really impressed me, and for the reason that you're the only patient here. It was pleasant. It was more pleasant than I thought it was. It went faster than I thought it would. Overall, a nice experience. The staff is amazing. I caught her doing that. It's like, why are you staring at? It's like, there's something about you. I just cannot tell what it is. And then finally the bell rang. She's like, I know, you got hair again. But it took her like 10 minutes. I could call Josh up anytime and ask questions on the cell phone, and just asking Dr. Bolton is just a different story because you really get a thorough answer and you feel that he takes pride in what he does, and that's is a huge difference.
Past year's been great for me. It's been my hair, my head obviously has been a transformation. I'm sure when you saw my video from 12, 13 months ago, it looked totally different. This is one of the shortest haircuts I've had in years. I actually got a 4 last week on the back of my head, and you can't see any line back there. Without the surgery, I wouldn't have been able to have a haircut like this and actually have it look good. Obviously with the wedding comes the wedding pictures, and those things last forever. And I wanted to make sure that I looked good in those pictures that I was going to have for the rest of my life. A full head of hair, when you see the pictures of me dancing, the candid shots at the back of my head, there's no bald spot back there. And actually my brother, who had his surgery here also with Dr. Bolton about a month or so before I did. Both of us had a nice full thick head of hair. He walked me down the aisle, so it was great having us there, able to share that together. Thank you guys very much. Still getting follow-up phone calls. Definitely impressed, and I endorse Dr. Bolton and his whole staff, the whole office 100%.